Hello and welcome to Marble.com University. I'm Chris, and today I'm here to introduce you to Marble.com, a premier countertop fabrication company serving New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Connecticut. Customer comes first. We take pride in carefully planning and delivering on every part of your project. Our clients are our biggest asset, and that's why we focus on exceeding expectations on every detail of each project, big or small. From the first email, phone call, or website visit to the end of a successful installation. Our customers feel relaxed and taken care of. Our experienced staff is always one phone call away for questions, scheduling details, project decisions, and more. We invite you to come and see us, get samples of our stones to take home, see full slabs, but also we provide a fully remote experience if needed as well. Our modern QR code system will facilitate your selection process on our virtual room tool, which will help you design and pick the right colors. Fast turnaround. We know how precious time is, and this is why we thrive to deliver projects in a fast and efficient manner. Our facilities are fully stocked, and in most cases, waiting for slabs is completely eliminated. We can say that our cutting-edge laser templating technology makes the process even faster. Our template technicians can send projects for fabrication in a matter of minutes. The top-of-the-line CNC machines manufacture countertops efficiently and without delays. Our typical turnaround time is 3 business days. Marble.com's countertop estimator tool speeds up the process by providing quick estimates with many price options. Superior craftsmanship. Our team of professionals have decades of experience in custom countertop fabrication, installation, and care. The experience combined with modern technology is a recipe for fast and successful project execution every time. Largest stone selection. Marble.com is a unique place. Unlike many other fabricators, we pride ourselves on keeping a massive stock of premier materials in our yards. Why does it matter? We want clients to have a one-stop shopping experience. Our customers can come see the product, pick their slabs, all in one place. No need to visit warehouses or wait for deliveries. Our over 2,000 color stone selection is available and ready. Keeping such immense stock is a big effort, but this also lets us keep the prices low. No middle guy. It's one of our mottos. No pressure sales. When it comes to shopping experience, we want our clients to be unrushed, confident, and make educated design and material type decisions. This is why our staff is trained to provide space and knowledge to make the sales process smooth and enjoyable. Marble.com provides instant online estimates, and therefore our clients are knowledgeable about pricing before they even come. Latest technology. So one of Marble.com's biggest advantages is the fact that our company uses modern and cutting-edge technology. We use laser templating for fast and accurate measurements. We use CNC and CAD tech to ensure precision and efficiency. Our website tools are there to help clients select colors, edges, and even browse our yards virtually. Trusted sources. Marble.com is partnered with the most reputable quarries from around the world, including Italy, Brazil, India, and the United States. Each and every slab has gone through vigorous quality control to ensure customer satisfaction. Marble.com, art of countertops. And that's it for this episode of Marble.com University. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, don't forget to check out our virtual rooms on Marble.com. Exclusive inspirational and design tools to help you find the right colors and materials for your project.